Here at the Botanic Garden, we are developing a new garden here on the edge of the prairie. This is the Native American Cultural Garden, and it's in collaboration with the Center for Sovereign Nations on campus. The plants that are going into this garden are those that are culturally significant and have traditional uses for the tribes and sovereign nations of Oklahoma. So as we developed this garden, signage will be added explaining all of those different uses and kind of what the different elements that they can be used for. So things like crafting, or if it's a food product, or if it's something that is used medicinally. There's all various types of plants that are going into this garden. So as you can see behind me, there are some empty garden beds. We've just recently built those, and we are starting to plant up some dormant root plants. So it doesn't look like much right now, but these dormant root plants are a great option for getting native plants in the ground, a little bit more economical than buying a fully grown plant. So here in the next few weeks and next few months, these plants will grow up and we'll have some great signage explaining all of the different uses of these plants and how they're important to different Native American tribes. I'll be checking back in with updates on the development of the garden, so be sure to follow along to see all of the great plants that we'll be putting in this garden.
We hope you enjoyed this video as part of our Oklahoma Gardening YouTube channel. You can also find even more videos on the OK Gardening Classics YouTube channel. And join us on social media for great gardening tips, photos, and discussion.